Yeah, you get a little quicker.
1, 2, 3.
You must take the A train to go to Sugar Hill way up in Harlem. If you miss the A train, you'll find you miss the quickest way up to Harlem. Yeah, yeah.
Now, ladies, you were swinging. That's what you were doing. Taylor, tell me exactly what that means when I say that.
You know, that's a great question. You know, back in the day, my band director, he used to say, swing me, don't ding me. And it's the idea that it's this feeling, it's an emotion that you are portraying or displaying through the music, this swinging, feel
Motion.
good. Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely. Versus, you know, a genre where, you know, you're playing funk, you know, make it funky, you know, James Brown. I think every genre, it resonates with an emotion,
Yep.
right? So when you've got that swing, right? You've got, you know, you think of ladies in their sequins and their fascinators and, you know, the guys in their trench coats and top hats and, you know, you got this,
Throwback.
you know, juke joint vibe kind of going on, you know, whereas, you know, funk, you think of, you know, the high top heels with the glass with the fish in the tank.
Yep. I know what you're saying.
You know, and big afros and stuff like that. And so, you know, you get these images of these genres and these emotions. But really, you know, playing that for me as a drummer, you've got, as we like to call, spang-a-lang, 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 you know. You know, whereas I have also played the A Train with a funky version of A Train. So you go from that wasn't it. So I'm gonna do it again, right?
Yeah. Do it.
So that's the swing.
Must take the A train to go to Sugar Hill way up in Harlem. If you just catch the A train, you'll find you miss the quickest way up to Harlem. Now swing it. You must take the A train to go to Sugar Hill way up in Harlem.
Hear the difference?
You must take the A train
Back to the front.
to find Harlem.
That was a great demonstration of that.
Yes.